Hi, this is Mark Carrington from markcarrington.com. This is a quick strategy video to talk about how best to use the All Access Pass from Kevin Fahey. So to just a quick summary, the All Access Pass is Kevin Fahey is providing access to all of his products for a one-off fee with no recurring fees and with a payment plan. There are over 81 products in the whole suite. It includes 3 membership sites with lifetime access and monthly updates. There are coaching programs the value of $4,997, and he's also said that he will provide access to everything that he releases in 2023. Now, just to give you a sampler of how comprehensive this list is, here is the full access list. I Am Coaching Series, 10-day bootcamp, I Am Checklist, that's one of the memberships. Premium PLR reports, 13 PLR products that include all the sales pages, lead magnets, landing pages, that sort of stuff. I'm not going to go through the whole list because it's too much, it's too hard to absorb. What I am going to do though is let's just talk about how you go about using the products that are in this offering. Now, I've presented here just a very simple model that my mentor uses as to how to make progress in the internet marketing. He draws it as a circle, and you can start pretty well anywhere, but essentially what you want is you need a way to capture leads into an email list. You need to follow up with the leads in your email list. You need to keep making offers to them and turn them into customers, and that's where the money comes from. And there's a traffic process. Now, you can start this cycle in different places. So I'm going to talk through from a perspective of a newbie. Now, as a new person, as a new internet marketer, what do you do? How do you use Kevin's stuff? The step number 1 is that one of the trainings is an I Am Newbies guide. So step 1 is to read that guide. One of the other products, so we've gone down here, number 2, is he has a series of free affiliate funnels. There are 10 affiliate funnels that he provides access to you. And basically what he'll do is you earn the commission. So all you have to do is send traffic to those funnels and earn commissions. Now that traffic can come from social media, or it can come from your existing email list, so a list of all your mates. And it's a little more complicated than that because quite a few of the social media sites don't allow direct links to these sorts of funnels. So he provides training on how to, and the tools on how to create your own bridge page to get to his free affiliate funnels. But that will be step number 2, so that you can start generating some dollars by leveraging his offers. Step number 3 is that you want to send some traffic, so beyond social media traffic, to those free affiliate funnels. And so there are 2 trainings there. One is called Traffic 5, which has 5 techniques for getting traffic. These are free and paid techniques. And then he's also got a module called Free Traffic Shotgun, which he shows how to leverage all of your social media sites with banner ads, banner images, and that sort of stuff, and send that free traffic to your free affiliate funnel. So that's number 4. Step number 5 is that it is smart to start building the list, and the easy way to do that is to grab hold of the premium PLR reports. One of the premium PLR reports that includes a whole funnel. Copy that funnel and use that to capture leads and then send them to an autoresponder. You will need an autoresponder. So the simple idea is to use Aweber Free, which gives you free access for 500 subscribers or 3,000 emails a month. And the beauty about using Aweber is that Kevin's training is using Aweber. An alternative as a free source is a place called Leeds Leap. Then on the follow-up process is the thought there is there's a training program called Email Marketing on Fire, and hidden inside the IM checklists is a checklist on email deliverability, and it's important to go through that process to make sure you set up your email follow-up sequences in a professional way. So that is the thought as to how to go about it as an IM newbie. The second thought is to how to start scaling up once you've got a process working. And he has a number of products which are all about scaling up. And so the first one is to read 100K per year made simple. These here, 20K extra and 500K a year are similar. The second one is to start scaling up the affiliate funnels traffic with the Facebook Masters training that he provides. Then 3 and 4 is to apply 20K extra and apply 500K a year, particularly with a view to scaling traffic. Then I would go into step number 5 is to add more lead magnets from the premium PLR reports. And then on the follow-up stuff is to apply the 10x traffic emails and list building masterclass lessons. So that is a process of scaling up. The third leg of a strategic approach is when you start doing your own products. So we'll start again on the left-hand side. We'll read the IM product launching product that's included in the offer and the easy repetitive system. The easy repetitive system is helpful in getting your mind around how to prepare yourself to create repeatable product processes. We'll then go on to 2 is to launch a premium PLR reports product. And the smart way to do that is to use the one that you used for list building and use that as the focus point so that you're already adept in understanding what is in there. So we'll go across 3 is we're then going to use free traffic shotgun to leverage the social media for the premium PLR reports product that you are launching. What you will have to do is to start create buyers list in your autoresponder, because these are now your customers, not Kevin's customers or someone else's customers. So you need to tailor your follow-ups to people who are now your buyers, your customers, rather than just a list of people that you are sending to other places. And then I would use the IM checklist. There's a checklist on product creation just to review what you've done against a product creation checklist to make sure that you have got everything in place and working in an effective way. So that's my thoughts on how to get to the bottom of this very long list of product offerings that are included and to get value out of them. Now, the last thing I want to cover is that I've put together some bonuses. So this is what my bonus page looks like. Here's the long list. The video up here is borrowed from the sales page. Here's the long list of products. And my bonuses are all about taking a step back, because I'm confident that Kevin will produce everything that you need to create the technical and the marketing platforms for your success. But the success requires also the right mindset. So I have bonuses to help you to build the right mindset of being an entrepreneur. I've included a membership of a Success Upgrade Club, which is just a different group of trainings on how to build your own mindset. I've included a course on a wealth mindset for more financial success. And then the next part of success is to enhance your personal productivity. And there are 3 reports in here. 1 is to learn to manage your time. 2 is to enhance your energy. And 3 is to improve your memory so that you can actually get more done in a day. And then I've added in 2 bonuses that are relatively new. A new bonus on harnessing social stories, because this is not covered in Kevin's training, so this is a new added value. And then there are a lot of what Kevin is talking about is sales funnels and the use of funnels, and I've included a report to help you on sales funnels. And then lastly is that success all hangs around the words that you use. So I've included a series of reports. It's called Copywriting from the Front Line, which is reports from a range of different copywriters, so that you can find a style that works for you rather than copying someone else. Just read these, use the samples, and find your own style of copywriting. So that's the full list of my bonuses and the value. So here's just the quick summary. The value is well over $800. I appreciate your time and attention, and I wish you all great success.